Hey, I'm Funky Gray, and I'm sponsored by this.
And I'm Alaska Blue, and I'm sponsored by this. So what's up, Funky Gray?
I just can't keep this up from you since we're at BFF. Yeah. Show the power. Yeah, anyway. I saw your mom swimming in the toilet pool.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Something's just wrong with that lady. Yeah, sorry about hurting feelings. But anyway, it reminded me of this thing when I was staring. Like that song, Stop and Stare. Blah, 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 Yeah, anyway. And I went canoeing with my dad and stuff. And, I saw this, yellow fish. And I was like, oh, pretty. It reminded me of this, your picture. So now I'm feeling bad, but I call you just like a fish. So, anyway. And all this milky, brownish, blackish, greenish stuff came out. And I was like, oh, it's having a baby. And I was so happy. And I was screaming and stuff. And my dad's like, shut up. You're tipping the boat. Sit down, you fool. And I was like, shut up. At least somebody's here with this fish that's having a baby. And all of a sudden the baby's drowning and stuff. And I'm like, yeah, you're the mom. You should get the fish. And then for a minute I was like, is that poop or a baby? I just yelled it out. I was like, it's so confusing,
I know, it's so hard to tell, right?
It just gets me so frustrated. So what's up with your life? Nothing, right? Garbage?
No, garbage.
Yeah, her life is garbage. So adios, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for tuning in to Funky Gray and
Alaska Blue.
Bye.
Bye.